In this video, I'd like to show an example of how to use pre-made parts in the SolidWorks library. Let's go ahead and start a new assembly. And I'm just going to pull in a pre-made part I have here. And what I've done is just create a block with number 6 through holes. And so what we're going to do is go into the library and pull in some number 6 screws. All right, over here on the right, you have a design library. When you open that up, you'll probably be met with a message saying you need to install this toolbox. Go ahead and install that. Once you do that, you'll be met with this menu here. Let's just go into the ANSI inch folder. And you can see there's lots of different parts that you can choose from. Let's just use the bolts and screws, and then come down here to socket head screws. I'm going to go pull in this socket head cap screw. Let's grab that and drag it in, and go ahead and place that in your first hole. You can see it'll snap to that hole. So once it does, drop it in there. And at this point, this menu should pop up where you can customize your part even further. For the size, I'm just going to do a 632, which is a more common thread. This plate's about a 1/2 inch, so I'm going to go a little bit longer than that. Now for this one, that's about it. You can see there's lots of customization here, but for this part, that should be good. So select OK, and now at this point, you can place more of these, more copies of this fastener. And again, it should snap into a hole if you already have a hole created. So let's just drop that in these holes. And then exit out of the insert components. And you have your parts here from the toolbox.